Primary 4, how are you doing? Let's continue concept 1 and now let's move to lesson 3. Okay, in this lesson we are going to talk about the conservation of energy and how to save our energy, or how the energy is saved inside our devices or objects. Firstly, let's revise on the energy chain, and we said that the changing of energy from form to another form, that's called the energy chain. So if I'm talking about the energy chain while riding a bike, firstly the chemical energy stored inside the food can be converted into kinetic energy inside the bike. And during the movement of bike on the ground, there is a thermal energy that is produced due to the friction between the tires and the road. Okay, but we said that we have to start any energy chain by the excellent light energy coming from the sun. So the light energy comes from the sun and is stored inside the food as the source of chemical energy, or inside the plant as the source of chemical energy, and the chemical energy changes into kinetic as well. Okay, and if I'm talking about the energy chain when a light bulb is switched on, so when I switch on this light bulb, it takes electrical energy. Very good. The energy input, or the energy that enters the lamp, is the electric energy, and the energy that comes out, or the energy output of the lamp, is light energy and thermal energy. So from this example we said that the energy can be changed or converted from one form to another form, right? Yeah, excellent. And we said that there is the new energy cannot be created from nothing. So we cannot find the energy itself that comes out or created that created by itself. No, it's impossible. So it comes firstly from the light that comes from the sun. After that, the energy changes from form to another form. So the light bulb cannot give us the light and thermal energy without taking the electric energy firstly. Okay, what else? We know that the old energy doesn't disappear, but it changes from one form to another form. So the electric energy cannot disappear or cannot be lost, but it changes to light energy that comes out from the lamp. And that's called the law of conservation. The law of conservation of energy. So what is the law of conservation? It says that the energy can neither be created nor destroyed. So we cannot create a new type of energy, and we cannot destroy any type of energy, but the energy only can be converted or changed from one form to another form. So what is the law of conservation? It's changing the energy from one form to another form, and we cannot destroy or create a new type of energy. Not created, not destroyed, but it changed or converted. It's the energy. So that's the law of conservation of energy. And now let's get some notes. We have different types of wasted energy that we cannot use, or that comes out from the devices, and we cannot get benefit from these types of energy. So we call them the wasted energy. Like while we are using the hair dryer, the noise or the sound that comes out from this device, we cannot get benefit from this noise, or we cannot use this sound. So it's a wasted energy, because it also doesn't help the device to do its main function. And while using the mobile phone for a long time, we can find that we feel it's so warm, and there is a thermal energy that comes out from it, and this thermal energy doesn't help the mobile phone to do its main functions. So it's the wasted energy. Okay, and most of the lost energy comes out in the form of heat, or in the form of thermal energy, like I said previously, when we use the different devices like the washing machine, the mobile phone, the hair dryer. When we put our hand on the device, we feel it so warm or produces thermal energy, and it's a wasted energy. Okay, now let's move to the questions. Firstly, while playing a guitar, the what energy changes into sound? So while playing a guitar, so we move our hands on the guitar. So the kinetic energy changes into the sound. Perfect. Number 2, when you turn a light bulb, the electrical energy travels or moves through what until reaching the bulb. So what is the input energy that we use in the electric bulb, or the light bulb that moves through the wires? Excellent. Some kinetic energy is converted into what energy due to the friction of the bike tires with the road. So any friction, any touching between two surfaces, it produces thermal energy. So the kinetic energy in the bike changes into thermal energy due to the friction of the tires with the road. Number 4, when a piece of coal is burned, when we burn anything, what is the energy that is produced? Excellent, the thermal energy. That's all for this lesson, and thank you for listening.